And then if we look at the probabilities, well, due to the 886 touch locally, the probabilities were higher anyway to take out the low. So that of course played out because we took out the low. And on the daily time frame, probabilities are highest that whatever this is, it is corrective. Still looking actually for a WXY. If I do count it in more detail, WXY is what I'm looking for. Looking for this structure to be a wave 4 and then eventually still a 5 to the upside to take out the all-time high. Of course, price continues towards the downside, and as I explained in I think the Telegram general chat, if I'm not mistaken, basically here price continues towards the downside so far. I want to see a high probability setup from an Elliott Wave point of view, and something that I look for, right, when I talk about wait for signs of strength. Everyone has their own plan, their own strategy, their own tools, but something that I like to see is price hitting one of my support levels, create an impulsive structure up, a clear three-wave corrective structure to the downside, and that to me is very interesting, and I'm happy to be part of a move when that happens. I'm not very happy to be part of a long as price just keeps dumping. Now, of course, what I do keep an eye on, because that's quite simply one of my most favorite setups, is the grinding structure. So basically this over here, grind at the beginning, sharp move down, grind at the end. That's when I start to be aware of the potential of a bounce. So I start to keep an eye on more local, lower time frames, signs of strength. There's CVD, market structure, flip resistance into support, 5-wave low time frame impulse, 3-wave retracement, etc. But the fact that we had the quick move down without overlap, and now we start to create ranges over here with overlap again, it makes me aware that this move to the downside over here could be ending and that we are looking for a bit of a bounce. Of course, keeping an eye on the support level over here, 76k is very, very interesting.